Today's reviewed momentum indicator not only shows market extremes, but also measures momentum strength. Let's dive in. The Matrix Momentum Package by W15RDX is a tool that offers a more detailed view of market dynamics beyond traditional oscillators. By breaking market momentum into 4 distinct levels, it provides a clearer picture of trend strength. The indicator translates complex price movements into an intuitive color-coded system. Green bars indicate strong bullish momentum, suggesting the trend is likely to continue. Olive bars reflect a weaker upward movement, signaling a less confident but still positive trend. On the bearish side, maroon bars represent mild downward pressure, while deep red bars signal strong bearish sentiment. What sets this indicator apart are its boundary lines, which act as momentum confidence zones rather than traditional overbought or oversold markers. When values remain above or below these lines, it suggests the trend has enough strength to persist. While it is highly customizable, excessive adjustments can be overwhelming. To keep it simple, we'll only modify the length and SMA length settings, making the signals more consistent and less noisy. For best results, use this indicator alongside support and resistance or trend lines. Enter long positions when the main trend is upward and the histogram closes above the green line, confirming strength. For short trades, wait for the histogram to close below the red line while the price is in a downtrend. Here are additional ways to enhance your trading with this indicator. Multiple time frame confirmation use higher time frames to confirm the main trend direction. Enter trades only when both time frames show matching momentum signals. Volume integration. Look for higher volume during strong momentum bars. Be cautious of weak momentum signals on low volume. Moving average strategy. Use a 20 EMA as a dynamic support resistance level. Enter trades when price respects the EMA and momentum confirms divergence trading. Watch for momentum divergence with price action. Consider exits when momentum weakens while price makes new extremes. In our previous video, we reviewed a multi-time frame volume indicator strategy featuring UT bot alerts. You can check it out here.